Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you stuffed brinjal bajji, or they also call this as bonda. It's very nice and tasty. Let's get started. I've heated oil in a wok on very low flame. I'm going to start preparing the batter first. So for the batter we require hot oil. In a mixing bowl I've added chickpea flour, rice flour, little bit of carom seed and little bit of cumin, chili powder, salt and cooking soda. I've added hot oil and gradually I'll add water and mix this and form a batter. We need to prepare this batter 15 minutes ahead of preparing the recipe. The batter has to rest well, otherwise it will absorb lot of oil. So prepare the batter ahead of time and allow this to rest. You can place this in the fridge until you prepare your bajjis. So prepare this batter ahead of time. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, along with measurements will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icard above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. Now for the brinjal stuffing, I'll be using coriander, which is cleaned, washed and reserved, garlic, chilies and cumin. That is for the masala which we are going to stuff inside the brinjal. Then the brinjal itself, I have purchased it slightly tiny ones because we can't fry large ones in hot oil because it will consume a lot of oil and it will become waste. So takes tiny brinjals and in a mixie jar I've added all the ingredients for the stuffing, that is coriander, garlic, chili, cumin, and I will add coarse salt, tiny amount of water and grind this into a smooth paste. So this is going to be our masala stuffing for the brinjal. This is basically coriander chutney. So prepare this, and once you prepare that, reserve it. So here I'm going to clean the brinjal. Remove all the dry skin from the brinjal. Just peel it using your knife. We need the stem because we need to hold the brinjal while dipping it in the batter and dropping it in hot oil. So reserve the tender part of the stem and remove the hard part or the hard fibrous stem, and cut your brinjal cross. You should not cut your brinjal all the way through. Cut it halfway through and place it in a pot of water which is salted. Add salt and place it in a pot of water. Now the brinjal, it will not turn dark in color. Here you can see the chutney or the filling is ready. We'll start stuffing the brinjal. So inside this brinjal we'll stuff the chutney that we prepared and we'll reserve it. Now we have stuffed the brinjal with the chutney and we'll reserve it in a plate. Stuff all your brinjal with chutney and reserve it in a plate. The recipe in detail, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icard above this video which will direct you to my blog. All my other social media handles will also be listed in the description box below this video, friends. So here you can see the brinjal is stuffed and it's ready. Now we will place this oil for frying. Place it on medium flame. Don't place it on very high flame, it will burn fast and your brinjal will not get cooked inside. So once we dip it in the batter and add it, place it on low to medium flame. Don't place it on high flame. Now once the brinjal is stuffed, I'll start dipping the brinjal in the batter and we will drop it in hot oil. So why I asked you to reserve that stem is because we have to hold it in the stem and then we have to dip the brinjal in the batter, and with the help of that stem only you have to drop it in the hot oil. Otherwise, if you hold the brinjal and then you dip it and you roll it in the batter, all your stuffing will ooze out and it will get mixed with the batter. It will not be inside the brinjal. So here, this is the technique. You have to reserve that stem. Don't remove that stem. Reserve the tender part of the stem and remove the hard part of the stem. Now we have dropped the brinjal in hot oil. We will flip it and fry it for 5 minutes on each side until it's nice and soft. Then you place it on medium flame and fry it till it's nice and golden brown in color. Once your brinjal is fried well, then you have to drain it from the hot oil and you can serve it hot. Food vendors, how they normally serve it is they add finely chopped onion, grated carrot, then they sprinkle some masala powders, chaat masala on top of this and they serve it. But I'm not doing all of that. I want to enjoy the brinjal as it is because I like the crispy outer skin and the soft and tender vegetable inside with the stuffing. So try this, it's very nice and tasty, and it's a meal on its own. So if you want something for your lunch, you can prepare this. It's very nice and tasty. Try it out. So my first batch of brinjal bajjis are fried and it's ready. I drained it from the excess oil and I reserved it on a paper towel. Then I served it hot. I'm going to prepare the second set of brinjal bajjis in the same manner and serve it hot. So use this technique. Use the stem part of the brinjal, hold it tightly and then dip it in the batter and gently shake off the excess batter and drop it in hot oil. The brinjal will fry evenly and it will be ready. Hope you all enjoyed this recipe video, friends. Do try this recipe and post your comments. All my social media handlings and all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, do like, comment, subscribe and share this recipe with your friends. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.